In this video, I'm going to show you how to take partial profits on cTrader. So the first thing you want to do, of course, once you're inside your account over here, you must have some active positions. Over here, I have one position for Bitcoin. So what you want to do from here is you can either click on this modify position cogwheel or just double click anywhere inside your position. And then this window will pop up, which is going to be the modify position window. Now, once you see this, what you're going to have to do is over here, the direction, if you want to take partial profits, will likely be sell. So over here where it says direction, click on sell. And then the quantity should be as much as you want, essentially. So over here, I'm just going to, for example, do a 0.04, or of course, whatever you want to do, that's completely up to you. So you just have to change how much you would like. And then you can click over here where it says sell. And after you do this, it says position modified, and then you've successfully taken partial profits on cTrader. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.